मैं गया था DJ स्टोर एंड ये लोग होटल से सीधा आ रहे हैं यहाँ पर. लुकिंग सो प्रीटी.
Thank you. I literally came out of this tiny space.
Come, let's go inside. Now let's go and explore Chatuchak Weekend Market, one of the largest and the biggest weekend market in Thailand. Let's go. So we are hungry now. First we'll eat food and then go explore. This is huge. You have to walk a lot today.
Yeah.
They have the shops, a lot of shops. Buy one get one free. Buy two get one free. Mansa, we are going to empty my pocket today. So many shops are there. So many nice options are there. There are more than 500 shops here. We are in the lane 1 now. And यहाँ पे shops खत्म नहीं हो रहे हैं. इतने shops है. Clothes, bags, accessories, souvenirs. You have almost everything here. Yes, bro.
There's a shop there, shop there, shop there, shop there.
Yes.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
There's so many options. I don't know how I'm going to choose anything. Like I'm
Let's see.
seeing so many cute things. I'm like, what the? Mommy.
I just asked her, यहाँ से आगे जाके डिपार्टमेंट स्टोर से लेफ्ट में you have food court. There you get food. Wow, look at the people.
And there's so much music.
So many people are there, right?
Yeah, but first of all, it feels like every single shop that has their own music. Like so many shops has music, so it's becoming so loud. And also the aeroplanes,
Yeah.
extra loud. All the way that shop, I can still hear it.
So the first stop is for the mobile phone. Mansa would like to buy something for her. iPhone 17 Air. Strong privacy 590, premium 350, strong 250. And I also want to do this, so I'll change my screen guard. I would like to change this.
Yes, which one you want?
The strong privacy.
Strong one, right?
What will you do with that?
It's for her dolls.
Oh,
This one is really fun.
there's so many options. What is this?
I don't know what.
Oh, this is for the phone, to hold the phone from behind. So like this you can hold.
Yeah, and look, they were adorable.
This is 280 which Sam took for her doll.
Yeah.
This is strong, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I break it so many times.
You know why you break so many times?
Why?
Because your case.
Because of my case. Yeah.
Your case is not good. You see how higher? If you stick film screen protector, it's the same level with your case.
Yeah. Excuse me. This one.
And this one.
So we buy 4, we get 1 free.
So guys, you have to bring much of cash because they don't accept card. But if they allow card, they'll give like how much extra?
3%.
3% extra.
So make sure you bring enough cash.
Yeah, make sure you bring a lot of cash.
Lot of cash. Yeah, there's 100 baht shop. You get all those herbal medicines, balms, inhalers, dry fruits and vegetables. Chatuchak Market is one of the largest and most vibrant markets in the world. With over 15,000 stalls spread across 27 sections, this place truly has everything from clothes, art and home decor to food, plants, pet and souvenirs. We are here as a family to explore and shop. If you are visiting Bangkok, Chatuchak Market is an absolute must. Expensive थोड़ा लग सकता है आपको, but है यहाँ के प्राइसिंग के हिसाब से बराबर है प्राइस. इंडिया से आपको थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव लग सकता है ये. सिर्फ बाहर ही है अभी हम. इसके पीछे अंदर बहुत है एरिया, वो आगे है. देन देयर इज अ शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑल्सो, मिनी चटुचक. उसके अंदर भी ऑलमोस्ट 100+ शॉप्स है. have to learn things from mama. Fixed price पे भी bargaining करके आई है मम्मी. She bargained and bought it from 500 to 450.
Mine is just 50.
Yeah, just 50. She saved 50 baht, Sam. Only your mom can do that.
Not only. Many moms do.
Only ladies can do that.
Yeah, you're right.
Would you like to eat octopus? Yeah, it looks so beautiful. Would you like to try?
No.
No. So we got a watch for Sam for 50% discount. ये देखो ये वाला watch है जो हमने select किया है अभी. You happy with the watch?
Sam's first watch is
Your first watch, Casio.
This is my first watch ever, and it's Casio. Okay. Casio.
Oh, checking here if they have fried rice or some food to eat apart from this croissant and coffee. Board है यहाँ पे लेकिन menu नहीं है. So let's see. So lunch is ready. Chicken fried rice, omelette and squid salad. सोचे थे खाना खाकर एनर्जी आएगा. We'll walk around more. मुझे नींद आ रहा है अभी. उल्टा हो गया. चलिए अभी अंदर चलते हैं. अंदर चल के देखते हैं shops. It is where locals and tourists come together for the ultimate weekend shopping experience. You will find trendy clothes, handmade souvenirs, Thai silks, paintings, vintage items, and even pet accessories. The best part is bargaining, so don't be shy to ask for a good deal. The market is easily accessible by BTS Mochit or MRT Chatuchak Park. You can also come here by taxi like we did. Make sure to wear light clothes, stay hydrated, and take your time exploring. There is so much to see and explore. Chatuchak Market is a perfect mix of shopping, culture, and fun activities. Whether you are here for food, fashion, or just for the atmosphere, this market is a must visit if you are in Bangkok over the weekend. Where is her mom? I don't know. She is missing. And यहाँ पर Sam का shopping look ले रहा है. So you get 1 for 29 or 4 for 100. So she's buying 4 items for her.
I got 40 to 100.
Inside the Chatuchak market are for retailers or wholesalers. If you buy in bulk, you will find good deals here. But if you are buying 1 or 2 pieces of souvenirs, clothes or something like that, we felt the price is little expensive compared to the same thing we get in different markets or in India. The more we explored the inside area, we noticed the shops outside are mostly focused for tourists and the shops inside are for wholesalers, locals and few massage parlors. So you can save some time by skipping inside area if you're not here for shopping. माँ बेटी के बीच में जंग होकर माँ ने जीती ये जंग. बेटी को वापस रखना पड़ा फैन जो उसको चाहिए था. मम्मी ने मना कर दिया.
It's not a good idea. Some buy something beautiful. Okay.
And और एक शॉप. Lot of varieties, lot of food, but Thai food. Fish, chicken, vegetarians के लिए I don't know कितना option रहेगा, but non-vegetarians for chicken, seafood, pork and beef lovers, you will have heaven here. आपके लिए बहुत options है. खाना गरम, tasty and yummy. See this lunch boxes, so cute. How much is this?
Huh? 750.
750 baht, still so cheap. 750 is like 2000. Come baby, we are done. Right, so finally हमने अंदर का टूर कंप्लीट कर लिया. अभी बाहर थोड़ा वो शॉपिंग है सैम के लिए करना है, वो करके निकलते हैं यहाँ से.
She's driving down the beltway.
जाऊँगा। So we are tired, we are done, it's almost 6:30 now and lights open होना शुरू हो चुके हैं. So I think, what do? We have some drinks and leave, or we'll leave? There you have juice. So we'll have some juice and then decide to spend some more time or leave from here. You want to try something here? Thai tea, Longan tea, green tea. Okay, that one. Okay, I will take lemon juice, or I'll take a lemon juice. We are back at gate 1. So end the tour here. Hopefully आपको अच्छा लगा होगा ये वीडियो, ये एक्सपीरियंस हमारा. And you want to say something before we say bye to them?
You must come here. It's very nice and there's so many shops and there's a lot of walking.
Lot of walking.
You feel exhausted when you go.
Chatuchak market का Chatuchak market. Chatuchak weekend market, जो कि सिर्फ वीकेंड में लगता है. एंड आई थिंक ऑल ओवर थाईलैंड से यहाँ पे सेलर्स आके अपना होलसेल में या रिटेल में प्रोडक्ट्स बेचते हैं. बहुत सारे ऑप्शन है यहाँ पर. कपड़े हैं आपके पास, सोविनियर्स है, फूड आइटम्स है, एक्सेसरीज है. तो बहुत ऑप्शन है सब के लिए, बच्चों के लिए, बड़ों के लिए, घर के लिए. बहुत कुछ है यहाँ पर शॉपिंग करने के लिए. एंड टाइमिंग इसका जो है सुबह 9 बजे से शाम में 6 बजे तक होता है. 6 बजे से बंद होना शुरू हो जाते हैं. तो ये था हमारा एक्सपीरियंस आज का. एंड वी लाइक इट. थोड़ा एग्जॉस्टिंग था, वॉकिंग टू मच वॉकिंग वी हैड टू डू, बट इट वॉज एक्सपेक्टेड क्योंकि इतना बड़ा मार्केट है. हमने तो वो जो शॉपिंग मॉल है यहाँ पे मिनी चटुचक, वो तो एक्सप्लोर भी नहीं किया हमने, इतना थक गए थे हम. एंड टुमारो इज सैम्स जिम्नास्टिक कॉम्पिटिशन, सो वी डोंट वांट हर टू बी एग्जॉस्टेड एंड बी रेडी फ्रेश फॉर टुमारो. सो एक्सपेंसिव है इंडिया से अगर आप कंपेयर करोगे तो. बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पर आपको एक्सपेंसिव लगेंगे, बट कुछ यूनिक चीज़ें हैं जिसमें आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो एक मेमोरी के लिए या घर में कुछ डेकोरेशन के लिए. समथिंग विच यू वांट टू बाई फ्रॉम हियर. इंडिया में आपको सेम चीज़ें सस्ते में मिल जाएगी. थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव लगा हमें, बट अच्छा है. एक आध बार आकर एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए अच्छा है. अगर आपको आकर यहाँ पे एक्सप्लोर करना है, देखना है, तो आप देख सकते हो. एंड देन उसके बाद अपने हिसाब से आपको क्या चाहिए क्या नहीं चाहिए आप डिसाइड करके ले सकते हो. बस ये था हमारा चटुचक मार्केट का एक्सपीरियंस जो हमने आपके साथ शेयर किया एज अ फैमिली. होप आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, होप आपने इन्जॉय किया होगा ये हमारा वीडियो. एंड अगर आपके पास कोई भी क्वेश्चन है, कोई भी डाउट्स है, तो हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए या मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे मैसेज कीजिएगा. तो चलिए अभी हम आपसे मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye for now.
बाय.